Right.
And I think that's what's missing in most public education. It's people are bored, and you take these kids with so much energy, and then you make them sit still and watch something that's not even remotely stimulating by a person who doesn't really care to be there.
Right, right, and they know this. They know this intuitively, if not explicitly, that the enthusiasm is absent.
Yeah, they could feel it.
Yeah.
And just it's the worst way to learn. It's the worst way, and it's so hard to escape. Once you get out of that system, it takes forever for a lot of these people to just get their excitement about education back.
You know what I say when I address teachers? We all, by the way, I'll do this right now in this room. We have only 3 of us, but let's take a show of hands. In your life, with all the teachers you've ever had in every class you've ever taken, how many had like a singular influence on who and what you became? Give me a number. It's going to be, I'm betting it's 5 or fewer, probably more like 3.
Yeah, for teachers.
What's your number?
Well, there's the one that I talked about on your show the last time I saw you.
Thanks for coming on to Star Talk.
My pleasure. Who was a science teacher that I had when I believe I was in 7th grade, who told me that if you really want to hurt your brain, look up and recognize the fact that that goes on forever, that this is infinite, and then just think about what that means, infinite, that there really is no end to it.
So, but how many teachers such as that were so influential on you?
That one guy saying that one
So
thing
for you, it's
in that
one.
one class,
It's one.
he might be the one.
And what do you got?
Maybe 2 at
2.
most, maybe.
For me, it's like 2.5. And I've had scores of teachers.
Yeah.
Okay? 100 teachers, at least. So what I tell teachers is, be that teacher to your students. We've all had those teachers. Be that teacher. And in every case, it wasn't because the topic was something you knew in advance you would like. It's because their energy for sharing their passion and love for the subject was palpable.
Yeah.
And it just spilled out of them and went into course through your veins and your arteries. And you walk out of there thinking, wow, that was the most interesting thing I've ever done in my life. You don't even care what you get on a test after that because you got touched and you became an enlightened participant in that exercise, in that exploration.
Yeah, it's just so hard for them to even get kids' attentions, though. I mean, there's just so many wrestling
unfortunately,
matches going on.
Unfortunately, that could be, in some places, half the energy of the teacher is maintaining order.
I think the success of your book, the success of your show, your podcast, and many of these other really intelligent podcasts are showing, though, that there's an appetite for this stuff out there.
Yeah, and I'm delighted to be a servant of that curiosity.